Hi, welcome to my channel. This will be my unboxing of a Mx Master 2S mouse by Logitech. Okay, let's look at the packaging. It is a Bluetooth mouse. It can be used as with a dongle also, the famous unifying dongle. What's inside the box? The mouse, the USB, the micro. Yeah, this is using a micro instead of a USB-C. And this is a menu. You can see at the back, it shows that connect it to up to 3 computers, and even copy and paste text, images and files between them. This just means that it can be used as any files inside one computer can be copied and pasted to another computer seamlessly with the included software. Okay, this is using a rechargeable battery and not the normal AA battery. It holds power up to 8 days on a full charge. Of course, as time goes by, with the amount of charges, a cycle will drop. In average, it should be lasting for about 70 days. Now let's open up this. Okay. Before I open up, you can see this using a flap case. You can see inside there's the mouse. You can hear the click, and this is the USB. Okay. If you want to use the USB and for some reason you don't have the Bluetooth, you can use this USB instead. Now this is the software included. You can customize a lot of things using this software. Now let's open up this. There's two scotch tape on here, but I'm going to just open up. Just a moment. Now I'm using a ruler because I forgot about the knife. Okay. Open up from here. And let's push out. This is the menu. There's nothing inside anymore. Everything is encased in this box. Let's put this aside. Let's open this up. There's a plastic. You can see the shape of the mouse. Let's take it out. Before we see this mouse, let's see what others has. Let's look at the other accessories. This is the standard mod USB. This is to connect via USB, and this is the micro USB cable. Let's take a look at this menu. I bought this second version is because there's a sale going on. The original price for Singapore is $149, and I bought it for $99 because of Black Friday sales. See this? Yep. Chinese and English, and these are just warnings. Okay. Take a look at the back, at the front, and at the side. This is quite a big mouse, and this is a button also. You can see the design of the shape. And there's 3 buttons, 3 lights down here, and there's 2 buttons down here. These 3 lights indicate the chargers. Let's peel this off. Before we peel it up, it says that you can go, that's on. It's this switch within 3 computers, and it will connect to the other computer within 0.03 seconds. You can either use USB on one and Bluetooth for the other one, or seamless usage. Let's peel it off. Look how beautiful it is. There are 3 colors for this mouse. One is a white color and the other one is a blue, a midnight blue. Let's try. Scroll. This button is supposed to limit how the scroll wheel scrolls, either for a long unlimited or just a normal click. But yeah, feel quite nice. These 2 buttons are together. I'm not sure whether I will click on the correct one if I want to go to back or front. This is how this sounds, and this is the port where you charge the mouse. See? Not sure whether you can see properly. Overall, this mouse feels very nice. I'll give you a more in-depth review once I have used this for quite a few days. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you like it. Goodbye.